Hello and welcome to the course. This is Introduction to JavaScript. This course is going to use what is known as a behavior-driven design approach, where I will lay out the behaviors I expect out of JavaScript, and then I'll write tests that verify that these tests do indeed pass. The number one thing to gain from this course is going to be how to write tests, and then how to use the debugging tools in order to verify that everything is working as you expect, or to find out where things are not working. There is some circular references inside of this course, and that's just an unnecessary fact about programming, that it's like looking things up in a dictionary. You look up one word, which redirects you to another word, which redirects you to yet another word, and so eventually you just have to understand what something is in order for the definition to make sense. So don't be afraid if while I'm going over something you don't understand exactly how it works. You do kind of have to learn by osmosis. So as I'm demonstrating things, just keep an open mind, work through the exercises, and then at the end of the course, go back through it again and see if the second time through, now that you understand all the necessary concepts, if everything starts to make more sense. So I hope you learn a lot from this course, and I will see you in the next lesson.